Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel. Look what I just installed today. This is the new emblems. Well, you can't really see because the camera's backwards, but let me show you what that looks like from my point of view. New mod, FX4 off-road sticker, but I got it in silver. This is gonna look so sick. Yes, sir. Dude, that looks so sick. Let me take this sticker off. I don't know why they have that. That's stupid. Whoa, that looks pretty dope. Alright, so we got it all finished here, and bam. Here is this side, FX4. I'll show you the other side. It's funny because the other video I took it off, and this one I go ahead and put it back on. I just felt like I have a four-wheel drives, so I want, it to say four-wheel drive. I think it looks great. It's got some bubbles in it though. I need to go ahead and try to get those out. But yeah, I'm gonna work on squeegeeing those out. So there it is. The FX4 sticker, off-road. Now it doesn't just say STX, just blaring at you. You want to let everybody know you're running a base model truck, but hey, looks cool. Get rid of the red. I don't have anything red on this truck, so it's kind of weird, but that looks awesome. 4x4 looks great. So, whoa, that's a B. Get that out of here. So there it is. Put the sticker back on because I think it looked too plain without it. And besides, my truck is a four-wheel drive, so I kind of want it, to be known it's a four-wheel drive. Usually people, they take the stickers off when they know it's a two-wheel drive, and they don't want people to know it's a two-wheel drive because they'll say FX2, so they'll take it off. But my car is a four-wheel drive, so went ahead and threw it back on there. At least it's not the super red like the STX badge was. So this is the FX4 package. It does have it on there, so don't think it's like I'm throwing that on there even though it's not an FX4. It is an FX4. I just changed out the badging. So yeah, looks good though. Looks good. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for the exterior, I think, besides suspension, obviously. I mean, I think next what I'm gonna do is the tailgate. I'm gonna go ahead and plasti dip these badges on the front, or the tailgate badge, and then the one on the grill as well, because I feel like that blue has nothing to do with the truck. The truck is black, and those only things that are blue on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and make those gloss black. So I'm gonna go ahead and plasti dip that, and then probably get the windshield tinted, and then this thing is pretty much done and ready to be lifted. And don't worry, the lift can be insane. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna show you every single thing I do to the truck to inspire you guys. So if you want to do anything to your truck, that you know how to do it, where to get the parts. So see y'all next video.